This is how you make French press. When you make coffee, there is so many methods. You can use tubruk, V60, Kalita, and other things, and then other. Yeah, but today I'm gonna tell you how to make coffee, but with French press. It's just a simple method. You just press the French press, and then you can serve your coffee. Then, what is the ingredient? Well, the ingredient is just coffee and water. How about the tools? You just need the French press itself, breeder, kettle, and maybe some measuring thing. Yeah, how to use it? How to make coffee with French press? Well, here is sweet stuff. So first thing you do, grind the coffee. You want medium fine or at least 10 click, because I'm using manual grinder, so I'm gonna make 10 clicks, okay? Then boil the water. So you want 92 or until 96 degrees of Celsius, or just wait the water until boil and rest it for 20 seconds. I think, yeah. Then what? Pour the water into the French press. And wait for 5 minutes. And then stir it. Okay, stir the surface of the French press, because we don't want jump of the coffee. What is the jump of the coffee? I don't know. The jump of the coffee. We don't want the jump of the coffee is up in the surface. We want it below the surface. Okay. Then wait 1 minute again. Put the upper French press. And press it nice and gently. Then you got yourself a French press coffee. So that's how to make French press coffee. Thank you for watching this video. I don't know. I'm gonna say this. Rest in peace English. My vocabulary is so bad. Okay.